What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Damn, I got something special for y'all today. Perfect. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. This, I hope, is the authentic, real Chevy Impala. I won't know until I get into it. The rims look right. Front fascia looks right. Badges in the rear look right. Mirrors look right. I think it's legit. Now, the one thing I'm looking for is to see if it's been damaged. But I'm not seeing anything in the rear. All right. Let's take a look at the other side. The tire's done. Take a look at the front. Yeah. Alrighty. Everything so far looks legit. Shifter is up high, so it is not a 96. God, this thing is just falling apart, as is the seat. What is this? VIN number. Doesn't say the brand though, right? Or what it is. Probably legit. Man, yep. SS headrests, SS on the back seat. I don't think anybody's going to swap all that to try to convert into an Impala when they could just buy one. This one's had a rough life for sure. Digital dash. God, she's going to need some serious work. But I'm down for it. If you guys didn't know, like I got one of these. I had it restored. And I immediately got an offer I couldn't refuse. I mean, it was somebody willing to overpay, and I mean overpay for the car. So the only notes I know is it says not to open the hood. So I know you guys want me to open the hood, but not much I can do about it. I am going to pull the Carfax by pulling that VIN and see what I can find out about this thing. She's definitely going to need paint. The interior definitely has to be reupholstered, take everything out. This would be a hell of a job, more than the last one was, for sure. And that's if it runs. that's if it's mechanically sound, right? But I don't know. I have an LS engine that I could drop in this, which I know, oh, it's not a real Impala NTK, you've altered. It's not original. F original, I don't care. I'll clean up these wheels. Maybe even like paint the wheels a weird color. Repaint this bad boy black. Black out the windows. Drop that LS, big boy LS in it. This thing would be a monster. Oof, I could just see it now. I'm just like, ah. Yo, I really am. I'm just like, this is dope. I love old Impalas. So this has got to be like a 94, 95. 96 the shifter was on the floor. So, well, short bonus video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. I don't see a sunroof either, but let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments down below. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about that beautiful thing right there. And I will do my best. Let me see if I can get it. I will do my best to try and get some information on this so we can get a little bit of its history and see what this thing is all about. But anyways, with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to go check out tk'sgarage.com if you haven't already. All of our new merch, cups, hats, phone cases. And now I'm not talking about phone cases from phones like 5 years ago, like iPhone 14 Plus, Samsung S22, S23 Ultra, all that stuff is there. Go check it out. I would appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon on the next one. Peace.